everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Vesna, if you don't already know me. I ordered needle felting kit from Shein. I couldn't wait to get it open. Watch me open it. I really love that this kit has everything to start needle felting, clear instructions, wool, needles, mat, eyes and supplies for a keychain. Great, now I can get started with needle felting project right away. First we make the body, then the ears and then start working on the eyes. You will need to play a little with the optimal size of balls to make cat's nose. Take your time when you attach with needle the nose. Look at cute cat photos to make more realistic cat face. You will also get black pins in the kit to make the eyes. Take your time to make deep enough holes before you insert the pins. You will also need to make 4 legs and a tail. Attach them with a needle. You can cover the joints with extra wool that is in the kit. And we are done. I hope you enjoyed creating a cute needle felted cat as much as I did. Please, like and subscribe to my channel. Happy creating until next time.